new bridges must be built. Because in the minds of the majority of our people today, Africa is too far away. So the only way you and I can point them in that direction is build new bridges. We have to have the type of understanding of Africa and the type of understanding of our people here in order to build a bridge, a contact, a line of communication between the two. And once the lines of communication have been established, and our African brothers can stretch forth their hands and reach us, and we can stretch forth our hands and reach them.
Contact that will connect African Americans, those in the diaspora, with their brothers and sisters in the African continent. That's what we call visionary, seeing the future and how important it is for black people to come together and be stronger. Exchange cultural values. Know each other's histories, and the diaspora will know more about their ancestry that is of African descent. Lots of African Americans, Caribbeans, and Afro-Latinos want to visit Africa and invest in Africa. Build a big business, explore every opportunity that Africa has, own second home. But they don't know who to talk to or where to start from. Today we have these great men and women of intellectuals that have selflessly taken it upon themselves to connect diasporans to the motherland of Africa. They founded We Building Bridges.
We Building Bridges is a 21st century pro-black platform that helps diaspora connect to Africa.
We bring you the right information to know what Africa have for you. Connect you to the right people that will help you own things you can own in Europe, things you can never own in America. So we help you to own land, a second home. We are building this house in a way that is affordable for you as a diasporan who really wants to own a home in Africa.
Building new bridges is imperative to the unity of the African diaspora and the African continent. It's very important to establish economic, social, political, cultural between the African diaspora and the African continent.
We Building Bridges is an organization that is looking to bridge the gap between African Americans and the continent.
We're all for black people in the diaspora to help them, connect them to the opportunities that are available for them that are here on the continent.
I am showing this land for an African American that specified that he wanted land near the lake. Now mind you, I'm boots on the ground, but guess what? Checking on my T-Rex, duplex, my investment. You can do the same. Also, be in America, come back to Africa, and check on your investment.
I want to come on here and just encourage everybody to look into this wonderful opportunity with We Building Bridges. You see, at this time right now, even though the dollar is very much volatile, this is the best time to use your dollar to buy, build, and own your own home, free and clear, in Nigeria, and with We Building Bridges.
We Building Bridges is also imperative to STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, but most important, industrialization relationships. We need an industry for the African diaspora and the African continent so we can liberate our mother continent.
I'm excited to be hosting a tour in Nigeria, working with BTMA, and it is going to be an amazing transition for those who are looking to dream bigger, faster, and believe bigger, faster, and to do more.
We Building Bridges is educating African Americans and Caribbeans, educating Afro-Latinos, and those on the island on the African cultures. Businesses they can own in Africa, house land and real estate in Africa, invest in healthcare, school, hospitalities, and entertainment, and connect them to the right people and companies to work with. We Building Bridges have boots on the ground for African Americans in the diaspora as they educate and connect with the royal fathers, mothers of different African nations and tribes on the diaspora returns to Africa. With We Building Bridges, many African Americans have bought up lands, invested in real estate, taken tour, own farms, schools, manufacturing companies, healthcare, etc. You too can be a part of this great movement. Join We Building Bridges today and connect to the motherland of Africa to explore the opportunities Africa has. We are building bridges.